I have to tell you guys, seriously, the Dyson V8 animal vacuum is seriously the best vacuum I've ever owned. This thing comes with an accessory for everything. I cannot think of anything that you would need another vacuum for. The vacuum is really lightweight and easy to use. Literally the push of a button. I love the display at the top because it shows you how much battery life you have, and it has a couple different functions. It has a boost, which is if you're picking up a lot of things and really messy and you need a lot of suction. And then it has an echo, which is your less suction. And then it has auto, and I pretty much always keep it on auto. And the vacuum cleaner automatically, adjusts to your floor, whether it's tile, wood, carpet. That's really nice that you don't have to go and change it for yourself. The filters are really easy to change. I'm not gonna take it out, but it's as simple as taking it off and putting a new one on. The suction power on this vacuum is incredible. It picks up all the pet hair, dust, dirt, you name it, and it fills it in this canister. I also love how easy it is to clean. It's as simple as you detach and then you empty it, and everything just goes right out into the trash can. You don't have to touch anything. No mess, no fuss. The battery life is amazing. I literally can vacuum my whole house without having to recharge it. About 45 minutes to 60 minutes. If you are looking for a cordless vacuum cleaner that is easy to use, perfect for pets, the attachments are galore, and it attaches to your wall and charges. This really makes cleaning easy. If you're looking for a new vacuum, I highly recommend the Dyson V8, especially if you have pets.